Hello, friends. We are very happy to see you today. My name is Vitalina, and I am really glad you are here with us. Thank you for joining this lesson and learning English together with us.
And I am Jake. Welcome, friends. We are excited to continue our lesson today. Get comfortable, relax, and enjoy the time with us.
Today, we will learn more useful question types in English. We will look at simple, clear, everyday questions that you can use in real life with friends, at work, in shops, and when you travel. We will go slowly, step by step, with simple words and clear examples, so it will be easy for you to follow.
So, friends, let's begin. Let's look at our next type of question. So, what is type 7? Something difficult?
No, it is very simple. These are offer questions. Friends, offer questions are used when we want to give something to another person. We often use, do you want? Do you want some? Or, would you like? Would you like some? Would you like is more polite.
So, if I want to give someone tea, I say, do you want tea?
Yes. And if you want to sound very polite, you say, would you like some tea? Let's practice. I offer something, you answer. Do you want some water?
Yes, I do.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, I would.
Do you want a cookie?
No, thank you.
Would you like some juice?
Yes, please.
Do you want a sandwich?
Yes, I do.
Would you like some chocolate?
Yes, I would.
I knew it. Do you want help with your bag?
Yes, please.
Would you like more time?
Yes, I would.
Do you want to sit down?
No, thank you.
Would you like ice cream?
Yes, please.
Would you like a cookie?
Yes. I would like 3 cookies.
Jake, 1 cookie is enough.
You never know.
So we know how to offer things, but sometimes we want to give ideas.
Ideas. Like, let's do something?
Exactly. That is our next type. Friends, suggestion questions are used when we want to propose an idea. We often use let's or shall we, more British, more polite.
For example, let's go to the park.
Yes, or shall we watch a movie? These questions are very friendly and common in daily life. Let's go for a walk, okay?
Okay.
Shall we drink some tea?
Yes, let's do that.
Let's watch a movie tonight.
Good idea.
Shall we meet tomorrow?
Yes, we shall.
Very British. Let's study English now.
I agree.
Shall we eat lunch?
Yes, I am hungry.
Let's sit near the window.
Yes, I like light.
Shall we call Tom?
Yes, call him.
Let's listen to music.
Yes, good idea.
Shall we stop for a break?
Yes, please.
Shall we call Lucy?
No, let's not call Lucy. She talks too much.
Jake, that's rude.
She knows I love her.
Now we know offers and suggestions.
Yes, we can offer tea and suggest coffee.
Exactly. But sometimes people ask what we prefer.
Like, do you like this or that?
Yes, this is our next type. Friends, preference questions help us talk about what we like more.
For example, do you prefer cats or dogs?
Yes, easy and useful. Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
Summer.
Do you prefer movies or books?
Movies.
Jake, which do you prefer, chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate.
Which do you prefer, pizza or pasta?
Pizza.
Do you prefer studying alone or with friends?
With friends.
Do you prefer big cities or small towns?
Small towns.
Which do you prefer, bus or train?
Train.
Which do you prefer, studying in the morning or studying in the evening?
I prefer the evening. I am not alive in the morning.
I understand. Very good.
Okay, now I am curious. What is type 10?
Type 10 is very useful for shopping. This is about price and quantity questions. Friends, price and quantity questions help us ask about cost and number. We use how much for money and uncountable things. How many for countable things.
For example, how much is this t-shirt? How many apples do you want?
Exactly. How much is this?
It is $10.
How much does this book cost?
It costs $12.
How much money do you have?
Not enough.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 1.
How many apples do you want?
2 apples.
How many languages do you speak?
2.
How much water do you drink?
A lot.
How many friends are coming?
3 friends.
How much sugar do you want?
A little.
Jake, how much is your jacket?
My jacket is 40 pounds.
How much coffee do you drink every day?
Too much.
Yes, I know.
Okay, 10 types done.
Yes. Only one more.
And this last one is?
Suggestions with should I and should we. Friends, should I questions are used when we want advice. We ask what is good or not good to do.
For example, should I buy this? Should I call her?
Exactly. Should I buy this jacket?
Yes, you should.
Should I call Tom?
No, you shouldn't. He is sleeping.
Should I study today?
Yes, you should.
Should I go now?
Yes, you should.
Should I eat less sugar?
Yes, you should.
Should I watch this movie?
No, you shouldn't. It's boring.
Should I take an umbrella?
Yes, you should. It might rain.
Should I buy a new phone?
No, you shouldn't. Save your money.
Should I learn more English?
Yes, you should.
Should I stop asking questions?
No, you shouldn't. This is a question lesson.
Should I buy new shoes?
No, you shouldn't. You have many.
True. Should I go to bed early today?
Yes, you should. Sleep is important.
Thank you. Friends, today we learned 11 types of questions.
Friends! Oh, wait a moment. I just remembered something and I can't believe I almost forgot it. Actually, I remembered 2 more types of questions. Yes, 2 more. I am so sorry I didn't say this earlier. Sometimes when we explain many things, my brain suddenly goes, Vitalina, you forgot something important. And now both types came back to me.
2 more types? Wow! Friends, stay with us. These 2 types are very useful in real conversations.
Yes, friends. Before we finish this big lesson, let's look at 2 more question types. The first one starts with have you, and the second one is about negative questions. Let's learn them together, slowly and clearly. Friends, have you questions help us talk about things that happened before now, or about life experience. We often ask, have you ever, to ask about something in someone's life, and have you, to ask about something that is finished or not finished.
So, have you ever means we want to know if the person did something at any time in their life?
Exactly. Very simple and very useful. Now, friends, let's practice together. Have you ever been to London?
Yes, I have.
Have you ever tried sushi?
No, I haven't.
Have you finished your homework?
Yes, I finished it.
Have you seen this movie?
No, I haven't seen it.
have you ever traveled by plane?
Yes, I have.
Jake, have you ever traveled to another country?
Yes, I went to France last year.
Have you ever eaten something strange?
Yes, I have. I tried snails in France.
Friends, have you questions help you talk about experience and things you have done in your life. They are very common and very useful in real conversations. Friends, our last type today is called negative questions. These questions start with don't, doesn't, isn't, aren't, haven't, or can't. We use these questions when we are surprised, when we expect the answer yes, or when we want to check information.
So it's like saying, really? I thought something else.
Yes, exactly. For example, don't you like tea? Means, I thought you liked tea. Isn't it cold today? Means, I feel it is cold. Do you feel it too?
Let's practice.
Don't you like coffee?
Yes, I do. I like it a lot.
Isn't it cold today?
Yes, it is very cold.
Don't you live near here?
No, I don't. I live a little far away.
Haven't you finished your work yet?
No, not yet. Almost finished.
Can't you see the bus?
Oh yes, I can see it now.
Jake, don't you like waking up early?
No, I don't. I like sleeping. A lot.
Isn't this your jacket?
No, it isn't. My jacket is blue.
Friends, negative questions help you sound natural when you are surprised or when you want to check information in a friendly way. Friends, today we learned 13 important types of questions. You did amazing work today.
13 types. My brain is still alive. I'm proud of myself.
Good job, Jake, and good job, friends.
Great job, friends.
Friends, as I promised, here is your bonus. I put many simple and useful questions from all 13 types in the description of this video. Please open the description and practice anytime.
Yes, these questions are great for daily practice.
Now it is your turn, friends. Please write in the comments yes/no questions, WH questions, and one negative question. Don't you?
We will read your comments and smile. Your practice helps your English grow.
Friends, thank you for learning with us today. We are very happy you stayed until the end of this big lesson.
Yes, thank you for being with us. You did a great job.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Do You Know English. Your support helps us create more warm and simple lessons for you.
Like the video, write a comment, and share it with someone who is learning English.
And friends, maybe you know other types of questions that I didn't mention today. If you do, please write them in the comments. I would be very happy to read them.
With you today were Vitalina and Jake. Take care, stay positive, and remember, every small step helps your English grow.
See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Bye.